Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 3.4 of chapter 3 class 8, which is understanding quadrilaterals. Okay, so see what is given in first question. We have to find out that given statement is true or false. First one is all rectangles are squares. So it is false. Why? Because in rectangle not all the sides are equal. The two opposite sides are equal to each other and the next two opposite sides are equal to each other. Not all the four sides are equal to each other. Okay. Second statement, all rhombuses are parallelogram. It is true. Why? Because see, this is a rhombus. So here also we can see two opposite sides are equal to each other and two opposite sides are equal to each other. So second statement is true. Okay. Now see what is given in third statement. Third statement, all square are rhombuses and rectangles. It is also true. Square, here we can see this is a square. So in square we can see all the two sides are equal to each other, and for parallelogram also we can see. So this is a true statement. Now D number, D is false statement, E is false statement, F is true statement, G is true statement, and H is also true statement. Now question number 2. Identify all the quadrilaterals that have four sides of equal length, four right angles. Now in both square and in rectangle, all the four sides are equal and all the length are of equal measurement. Four right angles in square and in rectangle, there are four right angles. See, in rectangle also all the angles are of 90 degree and in square also all the angles are of 90 degree. Question number 3. Explain how square is a quadrilateral. Square is a quadrilateral because it has how many sides? Four sides. Quadrilateral means, quad means four and lateral means line segment. Okay, so a closed figure which is having four line segments. So square is quadrilateral because it is having how many sides? Four sides. How square is a parallelogram? Because in square also two opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. So yes, it is a parallelogram. Now rhombus, why it is a rhombus? See here, a square is a rhombus because all the four sides, see, this is a rhombus, and when we tilt it we will get this type of figure. So in rhombus also all the four sides are equal to each other, and in square also all the four sides are equal to each other. Now how a square is a rectangle? Because in square also all the angles are of 90 degree and in rectangle also all the angles are of 90 degree. Now question number 4. Name the quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other. So these are the quadrilaterals: parallelogram, rhombus, square and rectangle. If we construct a parallelogram or a rhombus or a square or a rectangle and we construct the diagonals, see, and construct the diagonals, they will definitely bisect each other. Okay. Now question number 2. Name the quadrilaterals whose diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Means if diagonals bisect each other, between them angle is of 90 degree. So in square or in rhombus only, when the diagonals bisect each other, angle is of 90 degree. Okay. Third question. What is given in third question? See, name the quadrilateral whose diagonals are equal. So in rectangle and in square diagonals are equal. See, this is a rectangle. In rectangle also diagonals are equal and in square also diagonals are equal. Okay. Now we have to see question number C. This is option number 3rd. Now let us see question number 5. Explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral means when we construct its diagonal, that will lie inside the figure. So in a rectangle there are two diagonals both lying in the interior of a rectangle. That's why it is a convex quadrilateral. See, this is a rectangle, and when we construct two diagonals, this will lie inside the diagram. So that is why it is a convex quadrilateral. Question number 6. ABC is a right angle triangle and O is the midpoint of the side opposite to the right angle. Okay. Explain why O is equidistant from AB and C. The dotted lines are drawn additionally to help you. So see what is given. ABC, this is a right angle triangle, and this side dotted lines are drawn, and we have to find out that from O A, B and C, all three of them are equidistant. Equidistance means distance between OA, OB and OC are equal. So see, AD and DC are such that AD and DC are such that they are parallel to AB parallel to DC. Here you can see. And next one which is given, see here, next one is given what? Next one is AD parallel to BC. Okay, here is AD parallel to BC. Okay, so ABCD is a rectangle as opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other, and all the interior angles, see, all the interior angles are of 90 degree. So we know that the diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. So OD is equals to OB, next OA is equals to OC. So here we can say OA, okay, first one OA, second one OC, third one OB, all are equal to each other. So we can say thus OA is equidistant from AB and C. So this is how we have completed our chapter number 3 as well as exercise 3.4. So thank you students for watching this video.